Okay, we're here today, day 4, our last day. We have Detangled, of course, this is like day 1, day 2. This is what we did yesterday, day 3. Initially, of course, the lump looked like this yesterday. And we, of course, combed through that. And this is the braid of the hair that was detangled through. So we're going to finish this today, comb through this, and then shampoo, and then she'll be free to start and get her hair trimmed and move forward. Last night we still saturated some more before we wrapped up this um, Tangled mask here. We soaked some more of the takedown remover cream on it and wrapped it again so that it could marinate and saturate through a little bit more overnight to make it easy for us today. And once you put this product on, it makes the mask even heavier. So it's really good that you try to work on it consecutively, well, actually, just even if you're going to take breaks, let's say you're going to do it maybe for 5 hours, 3 hours a day, or whatever. Just try to make sure you keep the momentum going, even if you can only work 3 hours a day, because the mask is going to be much, much more heavier with all the cream you're putting in and soaking in overnight, and that can add to more irritation if the mask is already heavy and irritating you anyway. So make sure you just continue to detangle, because if you put all this product in and say, okay, I'm going to come back and finish next weekend, I'm going to just do it every weekend, what are you going to do during the week? Are you going to rinse all this product out, which causes more issues because now you've wet the hair, now it's got all this cream in it, you're wasting product. It's like a big cycle. You're just running around in a cycle, in a cycle that's not is not going to even make sense, because you're putting product in, you're rinsing it out, you're wetting the hair, which is a big no-no. It's not going to really dry. So just don't start this process until you can actually plan out 3 to 4 consecutive days of working on your hair. Even if it's for a few hours at a time, even if it's not a whole day of 5 to 6 hours, but at least every day. Just as the mask yesterday, as you can notice, it separates even within itself. You got another separation of kind of like 1, 2, 3. Which actually makes it easier for the techs, because 2 or 3 people, well, not 3, but 2 people can kind of work on one mask like this, because each one can take a side. But even if one individual person is doing it, just pick a side to work on, and then come back, leave that one alone, go to the next one, even though you're still in the same mask. And again, you lift up the hair strands like this. You lift them up. And then you pick.